Hello student, today I am going to discuss quality factor or Q value or resonance circuit or sharpness of resonance. What is quality factor or Q value? The Q value or quality factor of a resonant LCR circuit is defined as the ratio of the voltage drop across inductor or capacitor to the voltage drop across resistor. So quality factor Q equal to voltage across inductor is divided by applied voltage, that is equal to voltage across resistor R. So quality factor is defined as voltage across inductor L is divided by voltage across a resistor R, voltage across resistor R. As we know, voltage across inductor is VL and resistor is VR. VL is equal to IXL, VR equal to IR. IXL by IR. I cancel. Q equal to we know XL equal to L omega by R. Also omega equal to 1 by root of LC. Therefore Q equal to L by R 1 by root of LC. Keeping 1 by R and taking L inside the square root, then L square by LC, 1 L cancel, Q equal to 1 by R root of L by C. This is the quality factor. This is the expression for quality factor, or it is also called Q value or resonance circuit or sharpness resonance. Similarly, we can calculate for capacitor. Similarly, quality factor Q equal to voltage across capacitor is divided by voltage across resistor. BC equal to I XC and VR equal to IR. Q equal to I BC I XC VR IR, II cancel, XC by R. Also X equal to 1 by C omega, C omega by R. Q equal to 1 by R C omega Omega is 1 by root of LC. See, 1 by root of LC. Q equal to root of LC will go upside, downside is RC, again keeping 1 by R, taking C inside square root, C becomes C square, so 1 C cancel, Q equal to 1 by R root by L by C. So Q equal to 1 by R root of L by C. Again same expression we are getting for capacitor. So both are the same expression. Now I want to say how to increase Q value of a resonant circuit. How to increase the Q value of a resonant circuit. Point number 1, Q value of a resonant circuit can be increased by decreasing the value of bandwidth or sharpener of resonance. Point number 2, smaller is the value of R, smaller is the value of R, higher is the value of Q factor. That is, Q is inversely proportional to 1 by R. You see the expression Q equal to 1 by R is equal to L by C. So Q is inversely proportional to resistance 1 by R. Q is inversely proportional to resistance. Number 3, if Q factor is more, that is, if the resonance is more sharp, if Q factor is more or resonance is more sharp, then the maximum value of current amplitude is more. Then the maximum value of current amplitude is more. Thank you.